And right here, inside of the 10K report, this is where we're going to look at it. Let's see where we at. Okay. So we're going to look at the real estate market as well. So here we go, right? This is the 10K report that was released a couple hours ago from Square. This is Square Company. This is their 10K. I'm sorry, not their 10K. I'm looking at their 10K. I meant their. Did they put out a 10K today or did they put out 10Q? Let me double check. Yes, they put out their 10K today. This is their annual report they put out. So the 10Q is the quarter report. The 10K is the annual report. So you don't have to go around saying, oh, Prince said that they made an investment into Bitcoin. So to make it easier, I just put investments into Bitcoin. And this is the 10K report that Square released today. So once I put that in, I'm going to go to facts, and up on the facts, I'm going to go to cryptocurrency, right? Domination. So right here, this would tell you, you go right down here to this last line. This would tell you all you need to know. All right. This would tell you all you need to know. All right, here we go. Here we go. Okay. In fourth, right here. In fourth, come on, get out of the way, thing. Get out of the way. I don't need to see you. I'm trying to highlight it for y'all to be able to see it. It's highlighting the whole thing. But here's the line right there. I have it highlighted on my screen. Goodness, thing, get out of my way. Come on, SEC, please. Why y'all won't let me be great? Just let me be great. I'm gonna have to move this out the way. Well, since this thing is tripping, y'all see where I'm highlighting that. Okay. So right here, this is word for word. In fourth quarter of 2020, the company, Square, the company acquired 50 million of Bitcoin that's expected to hold as an investment for the foreseeable future. There was no imperative loss recorded on Bitcoin for the year ending in December 31st, 2020. So they already had made an investment, but they're telling you in the fourth quarter being October, November, and December of 2020, Bitcoin brought $50 million of Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, but Square brought $50 million of Bitcoin, meaning that they made a nice little chunk over the last couple, Bitcoin did a run in January. So when you see Tesla, when I see Square, when I see Tesla, then I see companies like Square, then I see all these other, major Fortune 500 companies putting, billions of dollars. Tesla did 1.5 billion. Square here reported they did 5 million in the fourth quarter. They probably done more. So they already had more because it tells you right here, it says there was no imperative loss recorded on Bitcoin in the year ending in 31st. So that leads me to believe that, hey, they have done more. But right here is telling you Square, which on the Cash App, has made an investment into cryptocurrencies. And you don't have to go about what somebody is saying or what you heard and all those things like that. This is the 10K report that was released about 2 or 3 hours ago, right? So that's the way I want you guys and girls to look at it. Square makes an investment into Bitcoin. They brought 50 million in the last quarter. All right. Let me see. They probably wrote some more down here. This is a 10K report. Let me see. Oh, they put some more money here too. Requirements been caused. Capital account. Make sure I'm reading this correct. The company capitalized 14 million, developing software, respectively, 19, 20 million. Okay. All right. So it doesn't say it. Okay, that was on the capital. Oh, no, that's not it. No. So investment in the Bitcoin, that's what they have right here up under investment in the Bitcoin off of the 10K report they released about an hour or two ago on the 10K report, the annual report. So when you see companies like this, you got Bitcoin going in. I mean, you have people like Tesla and corporations are getting behind you. That's when you put yourself in a position to be extremely successful. All right.